Should I do research online or should I do it in person? Historically, that's been the number one question we're asked. What makes more sense? To go see humans face to face or to look at them through a screen, either live or delayed? There are some really good benefits to each approach, and it all depends on what you're looking for. A caveat, while this is being recorded, it's the middle of the pandemic, so in person really isn't an option. Although there are certain places that are running in-person research, we're not one of them right now. But let's talk about this in a way that is what I would call back to normal times. When you're doing things in person, there are some really good benefits in the connection you have with the respondent. You can see their house. You can see their eyes. You can respond in a multidimensional sense. You can see when someone gets hot or cold. You can gauge your interaction with them before the interview starts and after it ends. You get a much better feel for someone in person. And it's something that's very hard to fake. But in person also involves travel. It involves time. If you're going to capture the information, you have to have the right video tools or audio recording. You have to have the right space. It has to be done live in person, so you need the time commitment. In person can often be difficult for clients to watch because they're sitting behind a glass or in the room and having to really focus on what's being said and how it's being presented. On the flip side, online has a lot of benefits. And online used to be terrible, but it's gotten quite good because people are much more comfortable speaking online. Everyone's carrying a camcorder in their pocket. Everyone has a webcam. High-speed internet's pretty prevalent across demographics, across geographics. So online is really good because your geographic limitations don't exist. You can do online anywhere, from anywhere. So you save time in travel, you save time in terms of getting to a location, trying to find a location, trying to set up. Online is really good for bringing lots of people together from different spots. If you have one respondent located in a small town in Iowa, it's very difficult to fly out there and find the person and speak to them in person. Online, it's as simple as just clicking a button. Online does have technical limitations. Sometimes the tech doesn't work. Sometimes people aren't able to comfortably speak to a camera. Online, you're only seeing what's in the frame. You can't spin it around and see what's on the other side. Online, you're only seeing what someone wants you to see. And online, you're often getting a lot of distractions. You can't see if someone is browsing the web on the corner, or if their children are throwing, I assume, darts at them, because that's what children do. So again, there are limitations on both approaches. Right now, when this video is being recorded, online is pretty much the way we're doing everything, and it has gotten quite good. Online research also allows you to do things asynchronously where you don't have to watch things live. So there are some amazing platforms out there for mobile ethnography, for data collection. There are some online bulletin boards that exist that allow respondents to feed in information in a sequence that the moderator or facilitator or research team can respond to after the fact. There are quite a number of benefits to both, to each. It's all about what you're looking for and how you want to do things. Interestingly enough, online and in person end up costing very similar amounts when you factor out travel. But sometimes it's not possible to factor out travel. We conduct lots of qualitative research online, in person, and we're really happy to answer any question you may have around this.